You searched how to buy shares of Iamgold Corp. Iamgold is a gold mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IAG. This short guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IAG to find the company. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct Iamgold listing. Open the Iamgold stock page to review basic company information in the price chart. Confirm company name and ticker to ensure it's the right listing. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. If funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Your Iamgold position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is processed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.